Hi, in this video it's about joy. Yeah, of course, joy of life as well, but in this case I'm talking about the essential oil blend Joy. Originally, its name was considered to be love at first, but it was named Joy, and it's totally fine. I think the name is program, right? With many of our oils, you can see that with the oil blend specifically, the name gives you a great hint how to use it on the different levels. As you maybe know that essential oils work on all the different levels. They work emotionally and spiritually and also physically. So we can, when you find the idea of an essential oil, then you find the idea how it can support you on the different levels. So, and when it comes to joy, well, I think the name is program here. Joy is such a wonderful blend, and it's very flowery and citrusy as well. And I will read you the ingredient list, since there are just so many different oils in here. We have bergamot, YlangYlang. Bergamot, by the way, is a citrus oil. Then YlangYlang, geranium, lemon, and it's the peel, right? All the citrus oils are peel oils. Coriander, that's a seed oil. Tangerine is again another citrus peel. Jasmin is not truly an essential oil, it's an extract, absolute actually. And then we have Roman chamomile, a very soothing, wonderful oil. And Palmarosa and rose, another essential oil that contains rose. I just love the rose. Yeah, okay, then let's move on here. Joy is one of those oils that is in our great day protocol to bring in a great, or start our day with a great attitude, with a great start. And the great day protocol contains, you use 4 different oils, and Joy is one of those. How do I use it? I love to use it to apply it on my heart. I also like to apply it to my wrists, or also on my ears a little, and then everything that I have on my hands I put in my hair, because whenever I move my hair I can smell it. So I'm my own diffuser. In Germany, when it was cold during winter time, I would use the hands and then go through my scarf. Or just put it on my clothes, because it keeps it in there, and you always smell good, and when you move you just smell and inhale that scent. So it's a wonderful way to use it. Joy is kind of a hard magnet, and it attracts people. So it can, what I have also witnessed, that there are different people. Some people do not want to be attracted, and that's okay. You know, you don't want to attract everybody. I think that would be, I don't know, that sounds a bit intimidating right now. But but it, you know, when you apply an essential oil, it also goes with your frequency. You put you to the frequency of the oil, and so it will attract, or to actually also quite the opposite. So I have seen different reactions on Joy. Mostly I get complimented on Joy. I'm like, oh, you always smell so good. What are you doing? What are you using? And well, then it's Joy, right? It's so good to have then, oh, I'm using Joy. It's like, oh, it's on love. Oh, all this butterfly and unicorn happiness, right? Yeah, well, it's not always like that. But just talking about joy, I feel like my smile goes a little bit wider, and I really love this scent. And I will open it. Now it's a brand new, oh gosh, it's just a brand new bottle. And it has a little bit of a yellow color because of the, the citrus oils. Oh, I like to use it also on my earlobes and of course on the heart, as mentioned, but also then, a little bit in the hair, And whenever you have an oil on your hands, just cover nose and mouth and deeply get it in there. I mean, it must be. There was, I have to tell you this little anecdote. We had an event a couple of years ago, and I was talking about joy, but I was a bit concerned about talking in front of so many people, and I wanted to use this energy, this spirit of joy, this happiness of joy, and but I had already so many different oils and had it applied that I'm like, I didn't want to also use this one, but I still wanted the, as I said, the energy. It's a frequency, right? So I used it and I made an experiment, and used it and put it in my pocket. And during my talk that I gave, I held it really tight in my hand, and it was really interesting how the audience was reacting, and there was a giggle here, and there was a giggle there, and a giggle there. It was really interesting how just this energy of this oil bottle and the oil that I was. It felt like I was manifesting this joy into the audience, and it was a wonderful experience that I will not and never forget. So that's my story with joy. I hope you will have one soon as well. You will find underneath in this video, you will find in the description my links, so that you get a little bit more of information about joy. Whenever you have questions, reach out, put it in the comments, reach out to me directly, and as always, stay adventurous. Talk to you soon. Bye.